Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Valentina. So you are in China, you sit down for a delicious meal and you see this. And a plate of dumplings. Struggling, right? And now look at this. A fork is easy, but it just doesn't feel right. So what should you do? You learn to use chopsticks. And this situation is perfectly described by an amazing Chinese old saying, 入乡随俗. Delicious. 好吃. 入乡随俗. 入乡随俗. Okay, let's break it down. 入乡随俗. 入 means to enter. 乡 means village or local place. 随 means to follow or to go along with. 俗 means customs or traditions. So literally it means when you enter a village, just follow the local customs. But it's much more than that. It's about adaptability, respect, and open-mindedness. It's the Chinese equivalent of the English proverb, when in Rome, do as Romans do. It's not just about food, it's about embracing the local way of life. It shows that you respect the culture and are willing to step out of your own comfort zone. Chinese people really appreciate when foreigners make an effort to 入乡随俗. It instantly makes you more likable and helps you to connect with local people on a deeper level. Let me give you a few more examples of 入乡随俗 in daily life. Drinking hot water or hot tea in a Chinese restaurant or at your Chinese friend's home. It's pretty hot. I just made myself a cup of hot green tea. Accepting gift with both hands. It's a small gesture, but it shows respect. Using WeChat Pay or Alipay. Cash is becoming rare here. We pay almost everything by WeChat Pay or Alipay. So whenever you find yourself in a new cultural environment in China, remember this, 入乡随俗. I like green tea. Green tea is pretty refreshing and I like the smell of the green tea leaves and it's pretty healthy. So in China, drink more green tea instead of ice water or coffee. Quick review, what does 入乡随俗 mean? That's right, when in Rome, do as Romans do. It's about adapting to local customs. Now I have a question for you. What was your biggest 入乡随俗 moment in China or in any other country? Tell me in the comments down below. That's all for today's 5-minute Chinese lesson. I hope you find it useful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel to find more content about Chinese life and language. Next week, I'll teach you another fun Chinese saying. Until then, 再见. Thanks for watching. Lucky is sleepy. This is my cat. We found her downstairs in the garden when she was a baby with infected eyes. And with my kids and I, we saw her and we decided to take her home and to give her treatment on her infected eyes. And now she's a healthy, cute orange cat. Meow, Lucky, say hi. This is Lucky, Sleepy Lucky. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you again for watching. See you next week. Bye.